Hey, what's up guys? Adam Lobo here, and yes, as the title suggests, thanks to Netflix Malaysia and Singapore, I've managed to meet Mr. Ryan Reynolds, Micheal Bay and the rest of the cast for 6 Underground during their movie tour in Seoul, Korea, so keep watching. Now, just before I go through my vlog and also my video interview, just to run through with y'all the movie synopsis of 6 Underground. Now first, this is also another movie exclusively released by Netflix, where it is directed by Micheal Bay, who is of course known for his action-packed movies like Transformers, Armageddon and many more. And the movie stars Ryan Reynolds, Mélanie Laurent Corey Hawkins, Adria, Arjona and Ben Hardy. Now the movie introduced a new kind of action hero where 6 individuals from all around the globe, each at the very best at what they do, has been chosen not only for their skill but also their unique desire to delete their past to change the future. Now this team is brought together by their leader, which is Ryan Reynolds of course, whose sole mission in life is to ensure while he and his fellow operatives may not be remembered when they were alive, they damn sure will after they are dead. So with that, let's kick things off. Alright, all checked in. The check-in process was pretty fast and smooth. It's a pretty decent place. Actually, it's quite nice. And right now it's about 10:30 a.m. so I've missed the hotel breakfast, but no worries, I'm gonna get room service. I'm gonna get a quick nap before I actually head out. The itinerary for today is we'll be going towards another venue for the official screening for the 6 Underground. So yes, you will be here together with me to go through the whole journey on how it is to see Mr. Ryan Reynolds, and of course to go through the whole journey of the press event that we have in conjunction with the movie release of the 6 Underground, which is going to be pretty exciting. And of course, right after the movie, I will be also give you my kind of non-spoiler review for you guys to kind of understand what exactly is to be expected within the movie. I think it's going to be great because it is a movie where it is something which Ryan Reynolds haven't been doing recently, because he's been doing a bit more comedy kind of movies, you know, coming out with movies like Deadpool and being the voice of Pikachu, and now doing a bit more serious action movie, especially for a movie which is directed by Micheal Bay himself. So I'll be giving you the full entire rundown during the whole interview. But yes, I'm going to take a quick nap. Before that, I'm maybe going to order something to eat, and then I'll be exploring the city just a bit more, because the guys will be coming to pick me up about 3:45 p.m. Right now it's still 10 a.m. so there's still lots of time for me to explore. So I'll catch you guys wherever I go. Raindrops keep falling on my head. So it's raining, not enough that it's cold, but it's raining. But like I mentioned, I love the cold. The hotel was kind enough to provide an umbrella for anyone who has a room over at the hotel. And I'm gonna be going outside because I'm gonna take some photos for 2 smartphones that I brought over in Korea to test out the camera capabilities. I'm not gonna tell what exact smartphone it is, but if you haven't subscribed to Adam Lobo TV, make sure you do, because I'll be showing you guys which phone it is. Picture time. Unfortunately, due to the weather condition of being quite drizzling, I don't think that the shots that I took was quite flattering. So even if I take it out, the lighting conditions here due to this weather, it's not the best, but the shots were still pretty. I'm gonna maybe plan to come here tomorrow early in the morning, and hopefully I can get some good shots of some nice clear sky over here, especially with all the very nice structures, the Christmas tree. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk around a bit more, and then I have to get ready to head on to the screening. So I guess I'll see you guys at the screening. I totally forgot to do this review video. It's a review video which I think is pretty important for those of you who are here in Korea or even in Japan or some other countries as well. So let me do this video. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video I'll be reviewing the toilet bidet, so keep watching. Now looking at the design and build quality, the quality is a bit of plastic, so it is pretty sturdy. And then there's 3 buttons for you guys to choose from. There's stop, to spray, and also the bidet as well. And if you guys are interested to adjust the water pressure, you can also adjust through this knob as well. Then there's also other features like water heater, seat heater, purity and power. And if you guys are interested to get one, I will leave links at the description below. Shocks and dairy. Okay, done. I'll catch you guys at the screening. This sounds for real.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your grey.
Alright, movie is officially finished. I have to say that I love the movie. Not because I'm being biased because I'm a fan of Ryan Reynolds, but the combination of Micheal Bay and Ryan Reynolds is an amazing combination within this movie. It definitely has exceeded my expectations for the movie. I would say that it is a combination of, your Fast and Furious, a better version, and also Avengers, because of the whole storyline, it kind of falls very closely to what exactly those 2 movies are. But for me, I really appreciated the fact that Micheal Bay has given the freedom of Ryan Reynolds to be himself, be his character that we all know him as. If you guys follow him on Instagram stories or Instagram, you can see his post, how that he's a kind of character which is quite funny, quite sarcastic. That's the exact character that you see within him. He always have that sort of persona when it comes to acting those kind of roles. And although that he is more like a bigger role in terms of managing this bunch of people who is under, say, the so-called dead list, because I'm trying not to give away a lot of story within here for spoilers. But yeah, it's a great movie. I highly recommend for you guys to watch it, not because I'm a fan of Ryan Reynolds only, but the overall acting coming from each and every one of them was also amazing. But most importantly, the cinema, motion, the videography, which was really great, because Micheal Bay is always known for his action movie. So the tiny little details, like for example, the action scenes, I'm not going to pull spoiler to you guys, but the action scenes, the way it goes in, it kind of reminds me of the best camera work that I saw in The Joker. So yes, I can't wait for the press conference tomorrow, and of course meet the whole entire cast, and most importantly say hello to the man himself, Mr. Ryan Reynolds, tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So I'm heading downstairs because the sky looks nice and blue. It's not raining, so that's a good thing. Today is going to be a very long day because we do have the 3 casts that's going to be joining us today. I better go downstairs and quickly take some shots before the transport come and pick us up at about 8:45. So I'll catch you guys downstairs. Bye. So we're heading towards the green carpet instead of red carpet. It's kind of cool. The whole media line is actually going forward, and then we'll be divided into a group first to do quick questions directly with Mr. Ryan Reynolds. So I'll catch you guys inside. Netflix movie. Are you expecting more coming in the future? Is that really coming? Yeah. All right, that's good. Thank you. Really nice meeting you. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Hi, Mélanie.
Hi.
I've always believed that, being French, you have a very beautiful language. I'm from Malaysia. Can you say I love you in Malayan language? It's aku. Say aku. Cinta. Kamu.
Aku cinta kamu.
Yes, thank you, Mélanie. Because you are inventor within the movie, right? You invent Matrix. Can you name me one tech item that is out right now, like a smartwatch, electric cars that you would love to invent with this right now?
Oh man, electric vehicles. I just love the idea that all electric vehicles fascinate me.
Okay, great.
So that's one thing that I think.
Okay, last question would be, you are number one. If you had to switch roles between the other numbers, which one would you go for?
Boy, I'd probably go with Ben Hardy's character. I love the guy that can do all the parkour and sort of skywalking stuff. That's cool.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Ryan.
Ryan, one question. Ryan, I have a question right here.
Oh. Hi.
That's a group from Malaysia. Hi. Sorry, it took us a minute to
It's all
get
good.
here.
Just one question.
Yeah.
We come from the ages of, you come from the ages of just having typical cinema stuff, and right now we have amazing platforms like Netflix. Can you tell us how great of a thing that, a collaboration with Netflix, especially for someone like you who having this experience for the longest time?
Well, everything's changing in our business, and we as producers and directors, we feel like we have to roll with that, right? So I have two kids that are 20 and 23, and they watch the streaming services. So, for Mike and I, it was a big privilege and an honor to start working with Netflix and to start applying what we know from the older film business into the new streaming business. So it's very exciting and something that we're very happy to be doing. And we're thrilled to be here in Seoul to do the premiere here, because Mike's fans have been so supportive of him down here over the years. So it's a great honor for us to be here and show the film tonight.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Thank you.
Michael, Adam, nice meeting you.
Hi, how are you?
Michael, I'm asking on behalf of the whole guys here.
All the guys, yeah.
Two questions. First of all, you did so many action movies, obviously. So the first question is, why Ryan Reynolds among so many people? Number two, can you tell us the difference between what you have done and why should people watch the movie?
I mean, Ryan's a great choice. I've always wanted to work with him. I produced a movie that he was in called Amityville Horror way long time ago. And I've always wanted to work with him. And his humor and my kind of action kind of meld really well. He likes improv. I like improving. This movie is just feels like it's got a different bent. It feels like me, old school, fun action movie to do, and had a great cast. So, excited for people to see it.
Thank you so much, Michael.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for the interview session that we have right here for the 6 Underground movie. I would highly recommend for you guys to check out the movie that will be out on the 13th of December on Netflix. Subscribe to Netflix and of course subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Alright guys, there you have it, and once again special thanks to Netflix Malaysia and Singapore for sending me over there for the press tour. And of course also I'd like to give a huge thanks to Helmi for being very kind enough to shoot during my interview session with the cast. And as mentioned, 6 Underground will be available tomorrow on the 13th of December on Netflix. And I'm sure I'm gonna watch it again, so subscribe to Netflix if you guys haven't done so. Go subscribe now. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please go and watch the movie and then come back here and let me know what you guys think of the movie at the comment section below, but please, no spoilers. Now, if you like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.